Welcome to another Feluda.ai video. My name is Reza Rafati, and today we're going to demonstrate how VirusTotal is able to work with Feluda.ai. So, of course, you need to have the VirusTotal API prepared in your vault, in the Feluda vault. In that way, the AI that you're using can safely retrieve the API key, and you don't share it with anybody else. So that is a more safe way to work with API keys. So as you can see, I went to the Claude AI, and I requested it to retrieve results for the IP 1.1.1.1, and it did its task. So this is a quick example of how VirusTotal can work for you within your favorite AI model. If there are any questions, do let us know. Ciao, ciao.